The English Easy Practice course is designed to help you learn English by listening fun, energetic and interesting stories. English Easy Practice is an excellent course that has put together very interesting English lessons in form of fun stories for you. This is a collection of special story lessons to help you to improve English speaking. We are reviewing it here on our Power English website because these are very powerful interactive stories. You can listen to the stories everywhere and every time you want. You can practice listening and speaking to become fluent. Practice English speaking by listening. The only thing you need is to have interest in learning the language. Whether you are a beginner, a worker who don't have time to follow formally scheduled lessons, or if you just want to add your number of languages, or even learning English just for the pleasure of doing so, then English Easy Practice Fun Story courses are tailored for you. Follow their courses online and practice English at the comfort of your home, or even download them and listen to them at your pace. The stories are designed to help you to improve your listening and speaking skills. Each story you can follow their courses online and practice English at the comfort of your home, or even download them and listen to them at your pace. The stories are designed to help you to improve your listening and speaking skills. Each story focuses on particular program or particular grammar subject. The stories are listening and designed to keep you interested in learning the language always high. You can read the story lessons while you listen. Each of the lessons has a series of questions that will be asked for you to answer orally and loud, thereby improving your eloquence in speaking the language. For each lesson you listen, there is a PDF with an equivalent text that you can read while you listen to understand everything and see how to read and pronounce the vocabulary. The course is as effective as going for an actual English lessons. In fact, it is more effective because you learn faster. The price of the course is also attractive. At $39, you will get the whole course and any additional materials available. Traditional English classes lasting a few weeks can set you back more than $1,000, which is too expensive for most people. Of course, there are many other advantages of buying the course apart from saving time and money. English Easy Practice has already helped hundreds of individuals in mastering English and are determined to help you as well. Their approach to mastering English is different from most. Instead of focusing on rules and dictionary definition, they focus on the practical ways to help you improve. Their biggest concern is to help you start talking fast and talk fluently. What to expect from English Easy Practice course? Expect to speak and understand the English language conclusively like a native English speaker. Expect to learn English in a fun and engaging way. Expect to have renewed interest in English language. If you were discouraged and almost giving up, expect to learn English fast. The course promises to teach you English in record time. What you get when you buy the course? 20 story lessons for listening and speaking, 20 slower versions of story lessons, 20 PDF script text of the lessons, over 140 pages total. Bonus lessons for listening and speaking practice. How it works? English Easy Practice uses a very simple concept that is based on listening and practice. The course recognizes that the best way of learning a language is listening and speaking it as often as possible. This is why the course utilizes everyday life experience from the educative fun stories and everyday English conversation. This makes it very easy for you to absorb. English Easy Practice uses a very simple concept that is based on listening and practice. The course recognizes that the best way of learning a language is listening and speaking it as often as possible. This is why the course utilizes everyday life experiences in the form of educative fun stories and everyday English conversations. This makes it very easy for you to absorb as well as remember that you learn. This is very similar to the Power English course. You can also work on your own conversational English privately at home without worrying about making mistakes. For example, listen and speak with every lesson for 4 to 5 days at least. Also make sure that you answer the questions from each lesson out aloud. In case you get stuck, please ask any questions or inquire anything about English Easy Practice course by sending email to info@englisheasypractice.com. Learn and fast and speak fluently. Download free lessons now. There is a free lesson which you can download directly at your computer or phone. The lessons are all .rar files. RAR files download faster. You need WinRAR to open these files. WinRAR comes with most Windows and Mac computers. If your computer for some reason does not already support built-in RAR extractions, you can get WinRAR for free at www.winrar.com download.html. How to get the full course? You can purchase the full course through ClickBank, which is the main retailer for English Easy Practice, by clicking the Get Our English Practice course for $39 button on the website. In order to open .rar files in your phone, you can use a free app like FileMaster to open the lessons. You can get it from here. Conclusion for practice English speaking. In a nutshell, there is no better English course out there in the market that will offer such value for $39 only. As I mentioned above, traditional course offering similar features and benefits will cost you over $1,000. This of course includes the time saving and fast learning aspects you enjoy when you buy English Easy Practice course. If you want to speak English without translating the sentences in your head, you must practice listening and speaking repeatedly to become fluent. Repetition is the key to become master, so you are recommended to listen to the story lessons repeatedly. English Easy Practice guarantees that if you don't speak better English after using the lessons for 60 days, you will get 100% of your money back. I can comfortably say I am yet to see an English course that teaches you English faster and conclusively. Now click here to get course for $39 or click this link to view more information about the course. EnglishEasyPractice.com. What you get today when you buy now: 20 story lessons for listening and speaking, 20 slow version of the history lessons, 20 PDF script text of the lessons, over 140 pages total. Bonus lessons for listening and speaking practice. Get the course for only $39. Use today.